Why do your knuckles crack and pop? Hi, welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, do you know what this sound is? That is the sound of knuckles popping, or you might call it cracking. Have you ever seen someone do that before? Kind of looks like it hurts, doesn't it? But for most people, it doesn't hurt at all. Have you ever had a part of your body make a sound like that before? Your arms can pop, your knees can pop. Sometimes your neck or back can make little cracking sounds too. Have you ever wondered why? What causes that sound? Is something breaking in there? Is it safe? Let's figure out why your knuckles can pop today. Inside your fingers, your bones meet at places called joints. A joint is the place where two bones come together so your body can bend and move. Your knuckles are joints. That's why your fingers can curl, or why you can hold a spoon, or why you can give someone a high five. Many joints in your body have a slippery liquid inside of them called synovial fluid. That's a big word. Can you say that word? Synovial fluid. This fluid helps the joint move smoothly. You can think of it like oil on a squeaky hinge, except it's inside your body and it's made by your body. When someone cracks their knuckles, they usually pull or bend the finger in a way that gently stretches the joint. That makes a little more space inside the joint. And when that space changes, the pressure inside the joint changes too. And that means that tiny gas bubbles can form in the synovial fluid. When the joint stretches, those bubbles form very quickly. And that sudden change is what makes the cracking or the popping sound that you hear. Scientists call this cavitation. Cavitation is when a small gas-filled space forms inside of a liquid. So that sound you hear is usually just a quick change in the fluid inside the joint. After a knuckle cracks, you usually can't crack the exact same knuckle again right away. You have to wait a little while. That's because the gas needs time to mix back into the joint fluid. So you might be wondering, is cracking your knuckles bad for you? Growing up, I would sometimes hear that it was. I would hear that it caused something called arthritis. Do you know what arthritis is? That's a condition where joints become swollen and stiff. It really hurts. Thankfully, the good news is that research has not shown that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. Phew, I'd be in trouble. But that said, that doesn't mean you should just be yanking on your fingers all the time as hard as you can. Ouch! If cracking a joint hurts, you should stop. If a joint is swollen or injured, that's different than an ordinary pop. And just as a rule, it's always better to be gentle with your body. You only get one body. You gotta take care of it. And like I mentioned at the beginning, other parts of your body can make popping and cracking sounds too. But not every body sound has the exact same cause. Sometimes a tendon or a ligament can move over part of a bone and make a snapping sound. Other times, a joint may make noise because of how the surfaces inside of it are moving. So there are lots of reasons that your body can make all kinds of different sounds. But this sound, the knuckle cracking one, it's usually harmless. It's just tiny gas bubbles forming quickly inside the slippery fluid in your joints. It doesn't sound like fluid though, does it? It really does sound like something is snapping or breaking in there. I think that's so interesting. So yeah, most of the time, knuckle cracking is harmless, but if it hurts, make sure you stop and then go tell a grown-up. All right, let's have a quick quiz. What do we call the place where two bones meet so your body can bend? We call it a joint. And what is the slippery fluid inside many joints called? It's called synovial fluid. And what happens inside the joint fluid that helps make the cracking sound? Tiny gas bubbles forming quickly. Let's play true or false. True or false? Your knuckles are joints. That is true. True or false? Synovial fluid helps joints move smoothly. That is true too. True or false? You should force a joint to crack if it hurts. No, that is false. Would you rather have fingers that looked like hot dogs or have bear claws for hands? Both seem like they would make life a lot more difficult. I guess I would choose bear claws because at least then I would have more control over what they were doing. I don't know. All right, let's play a round of What Am I? What am I? I am in your body. I help bones near each other move. And your fingers and knees and elbows and shoulders all have me. What am I? I am joints. So now we know why your knuckles can crack and pop. Your fingers have joints, and many joints have slippery synovial fluid inside of them. When a joint is stretched, tiny gas bubbles can form quickly in that fluid, and that quick change can make the popping sound. Still sounds like something is breaking to me, but I guess it's just gas and fluid doing their thing. Pretty cool. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And we've got some birthdays today. Today is Olive's birthday. Olive is from Michigan and Olive is turning 6. Happy birthday, Olive. Sarah Marin is from Texas and Sarah Marin is turning 9. Happy birthday, Sarah Marin. Lennon is from Missouri and Lennon is turning 8. Happy birthday, Lennon. Lyle is from Rhode Island and Lyle is turning 5. Happy birthday, Lyle. Gael is from United Arab Emirates and Gael is turning 6. Happy birthday, Gael. Felix is from Maryland and Felix is turning 6. Happy birthday, Felix. Edie is from Michigan and Edie is turning 6. Happy birthday, Edie. Cameron is from Maryland and Cameron is turning 5. Happy birthday, Cameron. Hudson is from Georgia and Hudson is turning 6. Happy birthday, Hudson. Poppy Joy is from Tennessee and Poppy Joy is turning 6. Happy birthday, Poppy Joy. And Elias is from Texas and Elias is turning 7. Happy birthday, Elias. To all the grown-ups listening, if your curious kid wants their birthday mentioned on the show, please visit supportcuriouskids.com and join the Curious Kids Club. That's supportcuriouskids.com. See you tomorrow.